Hello, 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 hello. Hi all, and welcome to another edition of TraderCast YouTube Live. We are live with you on 1st of December 21. Guys, the last trading month of the calendar year. Brilliant. Let me just... Hello, 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 hello. Excellent. So we are live. Plenty of things to talk about this week, and I don't want to bore you with any of that. Now, for some of you who are seeing this channel for the first time, my name is Phil, and I'll be your presenter today. I'll be doing this daily. I've started doing this publicly on YouTube recently. We're just testing things here, and I've been doing this for a very, very, very long time through TraderCast, which is our community, which is a subscription-based one. Now, I've been trading a fairly long time. Initially started trading stocks and shares, mainly investing in stocks and shares in mid to late 90s. And then subsequently started moving on to the leverage and derivative products like US futures and commodities like crude oil, and also got exposed to derivative trading through spreads and CFDs and so on. And I've been doing that ever since 2004. So if you need to find out more about me, check out TraderCast for a community or my trading skills for the education. Now, this is very short and sweet. It lasts about 15 minutes, maximum 20. And what I'm doing is I'm just talking about some trading setups that I'm checking out for myself today ahead of the US Open. Not much explanation on why and going into too much detail. It's not educational. It's very much factual. I would love to hear your feedback. If you have any questions, ask in the chat as well. Now, couple of things first. It's a busy week from the economic data point of view, which could trigger some more volatility, especially on Friday. But from today's point of view, I would like to talk to you about a couple of trades that I have open already. So for those of you who watched yesterday's program, you know I was looking to short euro, and then I was also looking to go long yen. And I also had a short Dow position as well, and that all triggered. So Dow is closed now, but I still have euro and I still have yen. So let me just show you a couple of those first, and then I'll explain more about what I'm doing today. So a couple of things that I'm looking at for today is I'm looking at the Dow. So from the Dow point of view, I'm looking to go long at 34,650, which is this area here. I looked at that area recently as well, so I was short yesterday. I'm looking to go long today. Oversold bounce back. So what I'm looking for is I'm looking for a pullback to that level and then a rally from there. If those conditions are met, then my stop would be down here, the cluster of these lows, those 34,480. So it's a fairly wide stop, but also the potential reward I might take profit level would be up here towards 35,300. Really, I would be looking to take partial profits up here as well, 34,990, call it 35,000, nice and even number as well. And then above that 35,300. If we see a breakthrough through there, then potentially even 35,500. There's nothing open on Dow. Oh, thanks. Brilliant. Okay. So the other thing that I'm paying attention to at the moment is DAX, and DAX came. Sorry, that's German 30 or DE 30 level. So from a DAX point of view, I was looking at this 15,400, 15,380. So it's not exactly there just yet. I mean, it's breaking out, but 380, 400. So that will be the entry. Basically a breakout to the upside. Resistance initially up here, 15,630, 650. The stop is really tight, so down here 15,300 or thereabout. So I'll explain the reasons why I'm doing all of that. So from the intraday point of view, I'm looking for a breakout above this little trend line, which is what's happening right now. Then we have these swing high here, and a breakout to the upside. And then from a take profit level point of view, this is the area of interest. So I would be looking for this as a take profit, and this is the amount of risk. So maybe I've missed this trade, I'll see, but that's where I am at the moment. So yet again, from the risk to reward ratio point of view, a fairly decent risk to reward ratio point of view. So we have this amount of potential gain for the risk taken, 1, 2, 3, 3 to 1 at least. So I'm happy with that. Let me show you where I am with that. Here we go. It looks like it's running away from me, but I would like to see something like this. A little pullback to here again, and then a rally from there for a potential entry. Might not get it, I don't know. Let's see. Dow is holding. Okay. So that's on DAX. The other thing that I am paying attention to as well is gold. So gold, I was looking for 1775 level, looking for a possible retracement to that level again. So basically a pullback like that for the potential entry there. Stop is then 1760, so $15 in price, or 15 points or 150 points depending on your broker and how you trade, what type of contract or a product you trade, for the potential bounce off there for the rally towards 1800 and then 1810, 1815, maybe even higher. So far this did not happen just yet. I'm paying close attention to this little rising trend line, and then I'm looking to enter in this trade. So the other thing that I am paying attention to at the moment is those two other trades that I have open from yesterday. So I am long dollar Japanese yen. So dollar yen, it looked like a breakout, which could potentially move higher. Sorry, let me just do this quickly. So I was looking for a continuous US dollar strength. And a move higher from there. Now, I'm in this trade already from yesterday. Don't like this pullback. I really don't. I thought we could see possibly a breakout and move higher. So the pullback is not really playing out the way it should. Let me just see if I should stay in this for a bit longer. Yeah. Okay. If I'm confusing somebody with what I'm doing at the moment, you're more than welcome coming to the community and ask question, or you can check out our education. It'll basically explain what I'm trying to do here. Now, from that open position management point of view, I might be looking to take some money off the table soon if that doesn't work out. And let me show you how that looks currently. So this is my open position in dollar yen. This is the one that we talked about yesterday. I've picked up this. This is only a 15-minute time frame, so it's much shorter term time frame here. I've picked up this nice reversal of the support, and if you remember, previously I was short last week from 115.50 with a take profit down to 114.50, and then subsequently we saw this pullback. So I've picked up this this trade yesterday. I looked for this spike. My stop is initially down here, and because of this corrective pullback now and the loss of the trend line, I'm going to move my stop above the entry and lock in about 11 points on this trade. So just in case if this does not return and push higher, I'll pay close attention to this, and probably if I see the loss of these lows, so 29th of November low, these lows here from yesterday at 113, if I don't see a bounce from there and I see a further selling pressure, I would likely close my position altogether and get out. I probably will not be waiting for my stop to be picked up, but I'm giving it more room. I'm basically bullish dollar. Going forward. The other thing that we were talking about yesterday, I was looking at, let me just show you that. I was looking at shorting euro dollar, which is what I've done, and that played out quite nicely. So the reason for that was that this was the resistance. I went short and I was looking for more downside. I was looking for these areas down here for profit taking towards 112. So this was the setup from yesterday. The same still applies. Nothing really changed. I am now paying attention to this. And yet again, if you don't know why this is bearish, feel free, come and check out our education. This is a textbook scenario here, and they have the tendency to play out like this: sell off, retest, and then they tend to do something like this, boom, quite nicely towards 112. So that's what I'm sticking with at the moment, and I'll show you my position there. I'm also managing that position as we speak, because I don't necessarily want to be stopped out with a loss after being in a profit on this position here. So sorry, just paying attention to what's happening with Nasdaq and Dow at the moment. Now here we go. This is euro dollar. So that's the entry from yesterday, 113.66. The stop, the initial stop is up here. Now after this sell-off, I was expecting to see a rebound, a retest of this rising trend line, and then another leg lower, rejection to the downside. The fact that that didn't happen, we're still kind of holding here, waiting for some sort of trigger. There's plenty of them coming later on today and also tomorrow. I don't know if you follow any of the economic releases. I'm looking at Eurozone unemployment rate on Thursday, which could be a trigger. But that's the stop. So what I'm doing is I'm putting the stop slightly below my entry. So I'm going to lock in some money on this trade. It's not a lot, but I would like to see if I can get more towards 112 to the downside. Still waiting for it. If I'm wrong, I'll be stopped out, and I'll be beating myself up saying, why were you a sucker waiting for that ultimate level at 112? Look, you got nearly there. You could have taken some money, but that's part of trading. What can we do? So let's see. I might manage this position in a slightly different way. I might decide to get out before I get stopped out as well. Anyway, that's what I'm looking at the moment. That's what I'm looking at the moment. Okay, guys. I overrun by a bit, so apologies with the sound issues, and I'll speak to you all tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Stay safe. Happy trading. Bye for now. Thank you.